lay the chair down in an attempt to pull the chair casters out. If the chair casters are difficult to pull out, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. So to start, you wanna grab the base of the chair and the caster, and you just wanna start pulling. And this does take a bit of force. Some of them come out a little bit easier than the others. Like this one's pretty difficult. If you don't wanna strain yourself, you can simply pull it out as far as you can get it. And then you put the flathead in between the caster and the base of the chair. And you just wanna pry against it and it should come right out. Just like that. You have a 7/16 grip ring stem. And it's usually 7/8 or 1 inches long. And what keeps these in place is this little grip ring that's on the stem of the caster. This actually expands inside of the tubing, and that's what holds the caster in place. We're gonna continue to pull these out. Moving forward to the install. A lot of companies might tell you can simply pop the new casters in place. That's not always the case because the grip ring on the stem is fully expanded. It hasn't been used yet and it hasn't been compressed for the first time. So sometimes it's more difficult to install new chair casters than your old ones. It takes quite a bit of force, but I'll show you a few tips and tricks using WD-40, rubber mallet, or you can even use a hammer to install these a lot easier. The first tip before we install the casters would be to lightly grease the socket of the chair and then try to insert the new chair casters. Now we're gonna try to use a rubber mallet, or if you're at home, you could use a hammer. And we're gently going to tap on the raceway, the back of the raceway of the caster to see if that will insert and push that grip ring through the socket. Okay, now that that one's in there, it's sitting flush and you're ready to install the next caster. This concludes our removal and installation of office chair casters. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the post notification bell. Thank you.